Yeah. Here we go. Hey guys, what is good? Welcome back to a brand new video. So you remember Black Friday, right? Yeah, just around the corner. There was a lot of deals, there was a lot of specials going on. So I did a little bit of shopping, you know, I went out, I splurged online, and this package finally came in. It's a little bit delayed, I know, but yeah, it roughly cost me about £1,000. So we got a pretty big unboxing today. You can see the size of this box. It is huge. So of course, we're gonna get into it. We're gonna see what we got. You may already know by the title. I'm not too sure yet, but let's get into it. Like I said, this took a while to get in, I suppose, because this year a lot of people have been doing a little bit more maybe online shopping than in the past couple years. I don't know, let me know how your Black Friday went. Did you do it a lot online or did you go into stores? So, right. I went to Mr. Porter. So Mr. Porter, if you don't know, is kind of like this luxury place that you go to buy different luxury items, like the stuff that's in this box. And yeah, they had a little bit of a sale going on Black Friday, so that's why I bought this. So let's get this box out of the shipping box. You know, I might just, okay, the top comes off of this. Perfect. Some of this action. You know what it is. Very nicely packaged. Wait, this is the box. This is impressive. This is heavy, solid. Right, and we have these boxes. So we got some Balenciagas, and I got a pair of joggers. So this is the pair of joggers. Again, this is all in the 50% off sale on Mr. Porter. You know, some Adidas joggers. These look pretty cool. It's just the kind of 3-stripe joggers that you get down the side, and it kind of twirls around to the back. These right here. So I've got 2 pairs of Balenciagas. So let's do this one first. So Mr. Porter, well done on the packaging. You get a little gift ribbon, and I've never seen a Balenciaga box. I've never bought Balenciagas. It's just not really my thing. You know, when they cost, you know, £600-700, then yeah, you kind of stick away from that kind of luxury item. But of course, it is still a very popular pair of shoes. So let's get into it. I've always had an appreciation for it, even though I would never spend that kind of money. So what do you get in the box? Wow, so you get an extra pair of laces, just kind of wrapped like that. You get a little Balenciaga tag. I assume this is like a how to care little dust bag. I mean, it's nothing special. So the shoes itself, a lot of paper. Dang. Oh man, these are heavy. Jeez. Man, these are huge. And yeah, I've never seen a pair of this pair of shoes. So this is the Balenciaga Track 2. Just for size comparison, let's compare the size. This is a 700 V3. And this is the Track 2. Look at that. So this is already, you know, a relatively big shoe. And these are all the same size. So this is a UK 8, I think a 42 is what they measure it by because it's Balenciaga. Look at that. Huge. So there is a huge amount of stuff going on this shoe. It almost looks like an alien exoskeleton kind of thing going on. There's a lot of weird little overlapping materials. Generally speaking, the materials just feel, I mean, they feel like synthetic leathers, potentially very synthetic, almost like plastic. I mean, you do get a lot of plastic as well. Look at that piece on the side there. It's not my favorite colorway, but it was the one that I could get for $300, 50% off. And when you see 50% off of a pair of Balenciagas, you know, you go for it because that's crazy cheap. I really don't know how I would wear this. Like, I guess maybe, I mean, you'd have to wear baggier pants, because if you wore like skinny jeans or something, these would just look humongous on your foot. This would probably be more on the snug side. Let me chuck my foot in here. With the shoe, without the shoe. With the shoe, without the shoe. Yeah, they feel alright. I mean, relatively comfortable, nothing insane. They definitely give you a lot of height. You can see that stack of midsole, which is huge, especially at the back. Extremely heavy. I would actually like to put these on a scale to see how much these actually weigh. But either way, we've got another pair that I want to get into. You get your little gift ribbon, again, solid gray, exactly the same as the other one. All right, you're getting the same dust bag as well. Holy. Okay. Now these are freaking huge. Oh god, these weigh even more. Some extra laces. Okay, so I thought those were big. These are much bigger. What the hell is this? This is insane. Size comparison. I mean, I guess it's just that midsole, man. These look humongous. Never seen a pair of these in person. Like, I've seen pictures of people wearing them. In fact, I've seen people wearing them, just never had them in hand, and specifically my size as well. Imagine like a size 12 or something. Size comparison again. That is insane. Even front on, keep in mind, these are the same size, guys. These are the same size shoe. One is just gigantic, and the other one is I guess, regular. That's kind of a small one. Let's try like a Jordan, right? Jordan 1, still dwarfs it. You're wearing an anvil here, son. You're wearing anvils on your feet. Gotta try this on. I gotta try this on straight away. So this is me without the shoe on, and that's me with the shoe on. Without. Without. No joke. Without. So this one's a lot less complicated in terms of the upper than this one. Like, you can see there's a lot of, there's a lot of twists and turns and overlaying materials, and they look complicated. But this is just, it's mesh, and you've got some pretty soft feeling leather material, pretty regular. Keep in mind, these retail, like, if you're not getting any discount, these retail for like 700, maybe even 800 pounds. So you want some good materials. I don't know if you're particularly getting that. Yeah, this is the triple S. So I believe the design aspect behind this is like a stack of 3 different midsoles. Kind of has a little bit of an aged look around there as well, like some white. Almost looks like you tried to, I don't know, you were brushing your teeth one morning, you got some toothpaste stuck in the midsole there. This is actually a nice colorway. I like it. Pretty plain, all over kind of sail and white with some red accents at the back, and of course that gum outsole. I'm still just kind of in shock about how huge these are and how people rock these with them, and there's just so much mass on your foot. But it is very interesting to see, considering I'm not really in the Balenciaga world out here buying high fashion sneakers. So yeah, these are the 2 Balenciaga pairs that I got. Let me know if you guys have ever bought a pair of Balenciagas, or if you own Balenciagas. I'm just interested. But hey, that pretty much wraps it up for the unboxing today. Let me know what you think about either of these down in the comment section below. Thank you for coming through, liking, commenting, and of course subscribing. I'll catch each and every one of you in the next one, but until then.